In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ensure your charts are saved automatically on TradingView. This is an essential step for anyone who relies on accurate data analysis and doesn't want to lose valuable insights due to unexpected interruptions. TradingView is an incredibly powerful tool for traders, offering a wide array of features and customization options that can enhance your trading strategy. One of the fundamental tasks when using TradingView is making sure your charts are set to autosave, which prevents any accidental data loss and ensures your work is continuously updated. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the TradingView website. Once you're on TradingView, the next step is to choose a chart that you'd like to work with. Whether you're analyzing Forex, stocks, or cryptocurrency, TradingView provides a comprehensive selection of charts to suit your needs. If you're already logged in, you can simply open the chart from your list of saved ones. But if you're new to TradingView, you might want to explore the platform and choose a chart that aligns with your trading interests. Once you have the chart open, you should direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu that hosts a variety of settings. Clicking on this drop-down is crucial because it holds the option to check your autosave settings. This step ensures that you're not just working on a chart, but you're also saving your progress as you go. It's easy to overlook, especially if you're focused on analyzing data and making quick decisions. However, checking this setting is vital for safeguarding your work from being lost. Now, within this drop-down menu, there is an option labeled Autosave. When you check the Autosave option, the system will automatically save any changes to your charts without you having to remember to do it manually. This is particularly beneficial in fast-paced trading environments where each second counts and getting distracted with multiple tasks can be a risk to your analysis. By ensuring that autosave is checked, you can focus more on the strategic aspects of trading rather than worrying about data loss. That's all there is to it. This simple yet effective tip will help ensure your TradingView experience is smooth and stress-free. With charts saved automatically, you can dedicate more of your time to refining your trading tactics and less to the mundane task of hitting save. It's a small step, but one that can make a significant difference in the long run, especially during periods of high trading activity. Be sure to double check these settings periodically to confirm that everything is functioning as expected. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of TradingView's potent charting capabilities.